Are you ready to question reality, second guess your instincts, and fall deep into the minds of the most twisted characters in fiction? Welcome to a world where the truth is slippery, the tension never ends, and darkness lurks behind every page. These are dark psychological suspense novels that will haunt you long after you have finished reading. Unlike traditional thrillers, psychological suspense plays with your mind. The villains aren't monsters, they are people. The horror doesn't come from outside forces but from within. These stories rely on unreliable narrators, twisted motivations, and slow burning dread that tightens like a noose. Let's start with a modern classic, Gone Girl. This novel turned the missing wife trope on its head. Amy and Nick's marriage is toxic, manipulative, and devastatingly real. Flynn's sharp prose cuts deep, revealing the psychological warfare in relationships. Alicia Berenson shot her husband 5 times and never spoke again. The Silent Patient. This book unravels like a therapy session gone wrong, drawing you in with its eerie stillness and exploding in a twist you won't see coming. Ever wonder what it's like to be inside the mind of a stalker? You makes you uncomfortable in the best way. Joey Goldberg is charming, literate, and terrifying. The most disturbing part, you might find yourself rooting for him. Old, elegant, and deeply unsettling. Rebecca is a gothic psychological masterpiece. The shadow of the dead first wife looms over every moment, blurring the line between reality and paranoia. In the grand halls of Mandalay, they are the perfect couple on the outside, but once the doors close, a chilling nightmare begins. Behind closed door is a claustrophobic, fast-paced and impossible to forget. It's not just disturbing, it's infuriating. Rachel rides the same train every day and then she sees something she shouldn't. But can she trust what she saw or what she remembers? Hawkins pulled readers into a world of addiction, obsession, and distorted memory. Bunny is bizarre, surreal, and deeply psychological. It's like Mean Girls meets The Shining. As Samantha gets pulled into a cult like clique of her MFA classmates, reality begins to unravel in the most disturbing and darkly funny ways. These novels do more than entertain, they expose hidden fears of being trapped, gaslit, ignored, or destroyed by the people closest to us. They explore identity, control, obsession, and trauma in ways that stick with you. If you're new to this genre, start with The Silent Patient or Behind Closed Doors. If you want something more literary and layered, go for Rebecca or Bunny. And if you want to dive deeper, there's a whole library of psychological darkness waiting for you. Don't read these books, experience them.